Life in a Kenyan village has changed a lot over the past few years. What used to be seen as a place with limited opportunities is now becoming a center of growth, creativity, and real business success. Many people are discovering that you do not need to move to a big city like Nairobi or Mombasa to make money. In fact, villages now offer better opportunities in some ways because costs are lower, competition is less, and the community is more supportive. With simple planning and commitment, anyone can start a business and grow it steadily. One of the biggest reasons village businesses are working today is the rise of mobile money. Almost every household uses mobile payment services, making it easy to send and receive money without traveling far. This has removed many barriers that used to limit rural trade. Farmers can now sell their products and get paid instantly. Shop owners can restock goods without carrying cash. Even small businesses can now operate like modern enterprises. Another important factor is the availability of local resources. Villages have land, water, and labor, which are key ingredients for many successful businesses. Instead of importing goods from towns, people are now producing locally and selling within their communities. This reduces costs and increases profit margins. It also creates jobs and strengthens the local economy. One of the most reliable businesses in villages is poultry farming. Chickens are easy to keep and do not require a lot of space. You can start with as few as 50 chickens and grow gradually. Eggs are consumed daily in most homes, so you will always have customers. If you manage your chickens well, you can collect eggs every day and sell them in nearby markets. Many farmers also sell mature chickens for meat, especially during festive seasons when demand is high. With proper feeding and disease control, poultry farming can generate steady income throughout the year. Vegetable farming is another strong business idea that continues to perform well. Crops like sukuma wiki, spinach, onions, and tomatoes grow quickly and are always in demand. Even a small piece of land can produce enough vegetables to supply a family and still have surplus for sale. With simple irrigation methods such as drip systems or manual watering, you can farm all year round. Selling directly to customers or local markets helps you earn better prices compared to using middlemen. Over time, you can expand your farm and even supply hotels or schools. Beekeeping is often overlooked, yet it is one of the most profitable and low-maintenance businesses. Bees do most of the work, and you only need to provide a safe environment for them. A single hive can produce several liters of honey in a season. Honey sells at a good price, often between 800 and 1,200 Kenya shillings per liter, depending on quality and location. In addition to honey, you can also sell beeswax, which is used in making candles and cosmetics. Beekeeping does not require daily attention, making it ideal for people who have other activities. Dairy farming is another excellent opportunity, especially in areas with good pasture and water supply. Milk is a basic need in most households, and demand is always high. Starting with 1 or 2 cows can already generate daily income. A healthy cow can produce several liters of milk each day, which you can sell to neighbors or local milk collection centers. As your herd grows, your income also increases. Some farmers go further by processing milk into yogurt or ghee, which sells at higher prices and increases profits. Small retail shops, commonly known as kiosks, are among the easiest businesses to start. These shops sell everyday items such as sugar, bread, soap, and cooking oil. Since these are basic needs, customers come daily. The key to success in this business is choosing a good location, such as near a road, school, or market. You do not need a large amount of capital to begin. With around 10,000 to 50,000 Kenya shillings, you can stock essential goods and start selling. As profits grow, you can expand your inventory and increase your earnings. The boiled eggs business is one of the simplest ways to start earning money in a village. All you need is a source of eggs, a cooking method, and a place to sell. Eggs are affordable and popular, making them easy to sell. For example, if you buy a tray of eggs and sell each one individually, you can make a significant profit. This business works well near schools, bus stops, and markets where people need quick snacks. It requires very little capital and can start generating income almost immediately. A posho mill business is another powerful opportunity in rural areas. Maize is a staple food in Kenya, and every household needs flour. By setting up a milling machine, you provide an essential service to your community. Customers bring their maize and pay a small fee for milling. Although the initial investment is higher compared to other businesses, the demand is consistent and the returns are steady. Over time, you can expand by adding more machines or offering additional services. Soap and detergent making is a growing business, that many people are exploring. Cleaning products are used daily, which means there is constant demand. With proper training, you can learn how to produce liquid soap, bar soap, and detergents at home. The startup cost is moderate, but the profit margins are good. You can sell directly to households, shops, or institutions such as schools. As your brand becomes known, your customer base will grow. Solar products are becoming increasingly important in villages where electricity supply is limited or unreliable. Selling solar lamps, chargers, and small home systems can be a profitable venture. Many families prefer solar solutions because they are affordable in the long run and do not depend on electricity bills. You can start by selling a few items and gradually expand your stock. Offering flexible payment options can attract more customers and increase sales. Rabbit farming is another business that is gaining popularity. Rabbits reproduce quickly and require less space compared to other livestock. Their meat is considered healthy and is becoming more accepted in many parts of Kenya. Feeding costs are relatively low and the animals grow fast. This makes rabbit farming a good option for people who want to start small and scale up quickly. Starting a village business does not require a lot of money, but it does require discipline and planning. It is important to begin with what you have and grow gradually. Many successful entrepreneurs started with very small capital and built their businesses over time. The key is to remain consistent and reinvest your profits back into the business. Understanding your local market is also very important. Each village has its own needs and preferences. By observing what people buy most often, you can choose a business that meets those needs. Talking to customers and getting feedback helps you improve your products or services. Building trust within the community is essential because people prefer to buy from someone they know and trust. Marketing your business does not have to be complicated. Simple methods such as word of mouth, posters, and social media can be very effective. Platforms like WhatsApp and Facebook allow you to reach many people at little or no cost. Sharing pictures of your products and engaging with customers online can help grow your business faster. Another important step is keeping proper records. Knowing how much you spend and how much you earn helps you understand whether your business is making a profit. Even a simple notebook can help you track your finances. This information is useful when making decisions about expanding or changing your business strategy. Registering your business is also a good idea as it grows. This gives you credibility and allows you to access opportunities such as loans or partnerships. While it may seem like a small step, it can open doors to bigger possibilities in the future. Village businesses in Kenya are full of potential. With the right idea, commitment, and smart management, you can build a stable and profitable venture. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards are worth the effort. By focusing on solving everyday problems and providing value to your community, you can create a business that not only supports your family, but also contributes to the growth of your village. The most important thing is to take action. Many people have great ideas but never start. Even a small step can lead to big results over time. Whether you choose farming, retail, or any other business, what matters most is your dedication and willingness to learn. Success does not come overnight, but with patience and persistence, you can achieve your goals and build a better future.